Good morning student. Today I am going to solve HOTS of chapter 10. First A part. In the figure given below, find the value of x. Find value of x. So first take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle A given 35 degree, angle B 115 degree, angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 after transposition. 115 plus 35 150, so minus 150. Angle C is equal to 30 degree. Now in triangle DEF, again by angle sum property, angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. So angle D plus angle E 100 degree plus angle F 46 degree. 46 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle D equal to 180 degree minus 100 plus 46 146, so minus 146 degree. Angle D equal to subtract 34 degree. So here angle D, angle C take as angle 1. So in small triangle, angle C plus angle D plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Again angle sum property in this small triangle. So angle C plus angle D plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Angle C 30 degree, angle D 34 degree plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 34 64, so angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So 116 degree. If angle 116 degree, then x also 116, vertically opposite angle. So x is equal to 116 degree, reason vertically opposite angle. Now B part. In the figure given below, figure given here, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Equal. Next, BC is equal to DC. BC equal to DC. Equal. And DE parallel to BC. DE and BC, two parallel lines. Angle FAC 130 degree. C 130 degree. FAC 130 degree. Find angle CDE. CDE, that means this angle. CDE. Take angle B as 1, this one angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal. Why? Because given AB is equal to AC. So write here AB is equal to AC, and reason angles opposite to equal side. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Because two sides equal, then opposite angle also be equal. Now 130 degree is exterior angle, and exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angle. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to exterior angle 130 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 130 degree, and just angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 1 equal to 130 degree. So 2 angle 1 equal to 130 degree, or angle 1 equal to 130 degree divide by 2, or angle 1 equal to 65 degree. If angle 1 65 degree, then angle 3 also 65 degree. Why? Because BC and DE parallel lines, and angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding angle. So angle 3 is equal to 65 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 65 degree. Reason vertically opposite, corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Now given BC is equal to CD, BC is equal to CD given in question. So angle 4, take here angle 4. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1, because this two sides equal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1, and angle 1 65 degree. So put angle 4 is equal to 65 degree. See here, angle 365, angle 465, and calculate angle CDE. So sum of this three angle is 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle CDE is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 65, angle 4 65, and angle CDE is equal to 180 degree. 65 plus 65 130 degree. So angle CDE is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So angle CDE is equal to 50 degree. Next question, in the adjoining figure AL perpendicular BC, AL perpendicular on BC, that means angle L, ALC 90 degree, and AD is the angle bisector of BAC, angle bisector. Angle bisector means AD divide angle BAC into two equal parts. Find angle DAL. Calculate this angle DAL. Write first angle ALC 90 degree, angle ALC 90 degree. Because AD is angle bisector, so BAD and CAD equal. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Reason, AD is angle bisector, because AD is angle bisector. Now in triangle ABC, see here, in triangle ABC, angle B plus angle C plus angle A means BAC. Angle BAC plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle BAC, angle B given 40 degree plus angle C 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 100, 60 plus 40 100 minus 100, or 80 degree. means BAC 80 degree, total BAC 80 degree, and AD is angle bisector, so BAD and CAD is 40 degree. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to 40 degree. Half half, 80 is half, 40 and 40, angle bisector. Now in triangle ALC, this right angle triangle, in triangle ALC, angle CAL plus angle ALC plus angle ACL, angle ACL is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle CAL plus right angle triangle, that means 90 plus 60 degree, 90 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle CAL is equal to 180 minus 150 degree is equal to 30 degree. This one angle 30 degree, and total CAD 40 degree. So 40 minus 30 degree, just calculate CAD, total angle 40 and this angle 30. So 40 minus 30, 10 degree. Angle DAL is equal to 40 degree minus 30 degree is 10 degree. Thank you.